I've crashed this drone multiple times before filming this review, and it just keeps going. And that's not the only impressive thing. One thing that really stood out with this one is you get a lot of flying time and you don't have to feel rushed, because you're running out of juice. You got two. So you can have one in the drone and one charging and ready to go for when this one runs out. And it is charged by just a regular USB right here. But honestly, the best feature to me was 3 speeds mode. So on its lowest setting, it is super easy to control, great for beginners for learning indoors without banging into everything. So on the control button here, you have the speed mode here at the top left. So 1 beep is low speed, 2 beeps is medium speed, and 3 beeps is high speed. Crank this thing up to medium or high, and this thing handles a moderate breeze way better than any other drone I've ever tried. It stays really stable, so it's not getting pushed around by just a little breeze, which is a huge win for learning how to fly this thing. Another neat thing that it comes with is an obstacle avoidance. So you just take that little piece out, and you can pop this piece right in here. And it uses obstacle avoidance only when you're on the low speed. So it's not really going to help you much if you're on moderate or high. It also comes with an extra set of wingtips with all the little screws and a screwdriver in case you need to replace one. After all of the crashing that I have been doing, I have not had to replace any of mine yet. They are a little dinged up, but they still work really well. But if you do find yourself needing an extra set of wings, you've got a whole bunch right here. It does come with a little handy landing pad here if you want to play with that. My son likes to use that. So I think this is a really great drone to start off with. All right, so let's open this thing up. Has these 4 little arms here. So you're going to have to go up and down with this left joystick to hear the 2 beeps to get them to connect. So one really cool thing about this is the camera on the front of this drone. You can control the camera turning left or right with these buttons. You can go left, right, up, down. You can point it wherever you want it to, and you can go straight down if you need to. Here are your buttons for the camera. You've got your left, your right, your down, and your up. Very easy to use. So if you want to put your phone on your controller, it comes with this little pop out right here, and it fits my husband's big iPhone Pro Max very easily. So if you're wanting to watch your drone, fly it with the camera, this is how you would do that. The app is really straightforward. You have to connect to the drone through Wi-Fi. It will pop up as Flow. This is what the app looks like when you first open it, and you have to hit start. And while it's a little harder, you can actually control the drone through this app. You don't even actually need the controller for it. Overall, if you're looking for a tough, beginner-friendly drone that survives all the crashes and flies really well, this one's a really great one to try. I like it. It was really easy for me to learn how to fly, and we've had a lot of fun with it. I'm going to put the link in the description, so go ahead and check it out and start flying. Oh shit, oh shit.